Hey traders, we're going to have a look at all the indexes. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, my desk is full of shit. I need to clean it up. Alright, so wake me up when the market starts to actually pick a direction. I think that's what the title of this video is going to be. Wake me up when the market starts picking a direction. So let's actually have a look at what the market's been doing. I've just been doing some analysis on this screen here, but let me just go and have a look at this chart here. Guys, it's really interesting that we've got the jobs report coming out tomorrow and stuff like that. So really interesting to see what's happening here. We've got squeezing up and squeezing up. What's going to happen tomorrow? We're expect the volatility to pick up tomorrow. Expect the market to really start to move around. And in times like this, guys, if you are trading the indexes, or even in times like this, it's best to stand aside and not take a trade at all. Unless you are one of my private clients and you understand the WBS system, then this is the perfect time to be placing a WBS trade. Because if it goes up and it starts screaming up 10-20%, or goes down 10-20%, you don't care. It just has got to go somewhere. So for you guys that are private clients, you guys know this is the perfect time to place a trade like that. But for you guys that are trying to get the direction right, I wouldn't be touching that directional button. Sometimes the best trade you take is no trade at all. So stand back, guys, stand back. Let the market be. You know, it's like sometimes when you're waving that red flag at the bull, let the bull go past, because sometimes it's gonna knock you over and you're gonna get real hurt. So sometimes let the market do what it's gonna do, then jump on the train. Don't try and be a hero. Sort of step aside and let the market do what it's gonna do. So moving on here, we can see this is what's happening here. But overall, guys, as I said before, my weekly charts are still saying bearishness here, and I've been showing this all week because it's the thing that I'm looking out for. I'm like, what's this? The weekly chart is still bearish. So guys, it's like stand aside. We don't know where it's going to go, but the longer term view is still saying we actually should start to get some more downside here, and that's what the weekly chart is showing me there as well too. But again, guys, my goodness, this market this year has been one hell of a wham bam thank you ma'am. You know what I mean? It's like it's been one of those years, guys, that when you trade the markets and you really trade the markets full time, like me, and I've been watching these markets like a hawk, and trading the markets as well too. Sometimes the markets are flowing and things are moving, and the great trading opportunities. And sometimes when the market right now tightens up, non-directional, even directional is sometimes a difficult ways to trade the markets. Now, fortunately, have a non-directional approach, you've got a bit more time and you can generally do well out of that. But a directional approach, you can get slammed around the market, so you've got to be careful about what you are doing. So, guys, pretty much a nothing day across the board. Again, nothing with the S&P. Same with that. And same with the transportation average as well too. So guys, we will be getting some big movement out here. I wouldn't be a hero and try to pick the direction. If I was to place a trade, let's actually just go to the SPY. If I was to place a trade, this is exactly what I would do if I was going to place a trade, and I could use automatic stop and automatic entry orders. As you can see, we've actually got this trend line going down through here on the SPY. We've got this trend line going up through here on the SPY. So you can see how we're squeezing up to this here. So what I would do, guys, and I'm not telling you what to do, guys, okay? You got to make sure you have proper money management, all that sort of stuff as well. But looking at this here, if we break above this high here, we have an entry, or if we break above that high, I would get in and have like a small profit target, or a profit target, and my stop would obviously be at the lows of this bar here. if the market does open and rally down and break that low, we may get like that, and then I'd want to be short and riding it down. So either way, we're likely to get a big true strong direction, and I can see that anything above these highs here is going to be bullish, and anything below these lows here is going to be bearish. So that's basically the breakout trade, guys, that if you want to be looking at, that's something they're looking at. But just make sure that you have good money management and good trade management as well too. Okay, trade management is really crucial this year. So, and if it does come off, guys, and we do go down, you know we're likely to get something like this here, right? So we could have like a small stop, and we could have like a 2 or 3 profit target as well too. So that's how I'll be looking at that, guys. And actually, I may even actually put an order in the market to actually do just that. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.